Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pick up money from Western Union. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. I'm going to be letting you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. First thing first, you simply have to find a Western Union agent. Now if your transfer has been done through a Western Union agent, then you have to find a agent's location nearby you, and you have to make sure that you do have the MTCN code within yourself. Once you have that code, you're going to go ahead, find a nearby agent, and you're going to go to agent. Then you're going to provide them the MTCN number. You have to make sure that you bring your ID for the verification. If you don't have your ID, you will not receive the money. Once you have your ID, you're going to be receiving a form at the agent location. You got to fill out your information to receive the money. Go ahead, fill out the information. You can also ask the counter for the further help. Then once you have provided the MTCN code and your identity and the form, you will receive the money, and you can check out from there as well. That is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.